In this video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes in Monday.com so you can quickly fix any mistakes. It's super helpful when working with important data or collaborative boards. Let's get started. First, open Monday.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the board where you want to test or undo a change. Next, you'll need to make a change first for the undo button to appear. In this example, let's archive a board to trigger that option. Then, click the three dots in the top right corner of your board to open the board settings. After that, click Archive Board to temporarily remove it from your workspace. And finally, you'll see the Undo button pop up at the top of your screen. Just click it and your board will be instantly restored. And that's how you undo changes in Monday.com in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tutorials. See you next time!